Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel today. So today I'll be teaching us how to make commercial peanuts. If you have been having challenges in making peanuts in large quantity, then this video is for you. Also, if you are a sit-at-home mom or a student and you are looking at starting up any snack side hustle business, then you have to watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video you are going to learn how to make peanuts in large quantity. For the peanut production, we'll be needing our raw groundnut, sugar, flour, salt, milk flavor, eggs, Hollandia evap, margarine, vanilla flavor, and liquid milk flavor. After that, you are going to select your groundnut before you start. You select it properly to ensure that there is no dirt, there is no stone, and there is no spoiled groundnut. Select it to remove the bad ones out of it, because you don't want your customer to taste bad groundnut. So after that, we also go in with our coating syrup. This is the coating syrup mixture of your egg, sugar, and all the flavors that we need for this peanut production. After mixing this, you keep for about 2 hours. Why do you want to leave it for 2 hours? So that all the salt, all the sugar can melt and dissolve a little. So you keep it for that long to allow everything to dissolve. Let the salt and the sugar and everything to dissolve properly, so that your coating syrup will be lighter and there will be no sugar particles on your peanuts after coating. So this is how I do it. I whisk it and cover for at least 2 hours. Sometimes I can leave it for like 5 hours, because the longer it takes, the better. Yes, at least it's not more than 12 hours, and it will not spoil on time because of sugar. You know, sugar is a preservative ingredient. When you are done whisking the coating syrup, you set it aside and take your groundnuts. Before that, I had already sieved my flour, my milk flavor, and all my dry ingredients together. So this is how I coat my peanuts for large quantity. I take a very big bowl and I sit across it. You see the way I'm doing it now. You can coat as high as 40 cups if you have manpower, but let the bowl be very, very big. So first I go in with the coating syrup and I allow it to soak the groundnut for a few seconds. You see the way I'm doing it now, so that all the groundnuts can enter, so that the syrup can enter all the groundnuts properly, and then it will soak it a little. Then I turn in a clockwise direction. We are two doing this thing because the quantity we are doing is much, and we turn in a clockwise direction. So after turning for a while, I add my dry ingredients, which is my flour and my milk flavor, and I do the same clockwise coating. This is how you coat peanuts to be very, very nice. Note that I am not adding too much flour at once. I'm not adding too much coating syrup at once. Why I still added more flour here is because I noticed that the groundnut can still absorb more dry ingredients before going in with my coating syrup. This stage, you don't have to pack in too much coating syrup at once. You don't have to pack in too much flour, because if you pack too much coating syrup at once, you will end up wasting it. At the end of the day, your flour will not be properly coated in the groundnut, because you still have a lot of excess flour. When you pack too much flour in the groundnut, it will not coat because there's no syrup to coat it together. You can see the way I'm doing mine here. I do it bit by bit. I ensure that everything is coated before I add more. So you are going to repeat the same process of alternating the flour and the coating syrup until all your ingredients are well combined. You can see now it is remaining small. I've put in the flour, I've put in the coating syrup, I've alternated them, and it is almost ready. At this point now, you will see that your peanut is getting coated gradually. It is becoming fine and well coated. This is my recipe. There is no 10 commandments. If you find something that you don't like in this recipe, please kindly skip and stick to the one you know. This one is for beginners, for those that have not done peanut before. This is what I do, and this is what I say, and this is one of the best. So if you find this recipe useful, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much. I also want you to do it, try it, tag me on my Facebook, tag me on TikTok, on my Instagram, and drop your review of the peanuts that you make. After you are done with the coating of the peanuts with your dry and your coating syrup, then you proceed to the next stage, which is the frying. Now when you are frying peanuts, your oil don't have to be very hot from the beginning. If not, the whole peanuts will just be brown. What you have to do is allow your oil to be medium hot a little, because it takes about 10 to 15 minutes for each batch of these peanuts to fry. Now why your oil needs to be medium hot again is because you know that you are using raw groundnut, so you need time for the groundnut to be cooked and also for the peanuts to be properly cooked. So after you've tested the oil and you see that the oil is hot a little, you go in with your peanuts. Now for this particular oil, it was not even medium hot from the beginning, so it was a mistake. But then peanut is not like chin chin. Even if the oil is not hot, it will not soak, the peanuts will not soak the oil. So when the oil is becoming hot a little, you turn it, you'll be seeing the bubble. Why this particular oil is excessively foamy like this is because I have used it before. So but it's practically the same thing. When your peanut is hot and is boiling, you have to turn regularly so that you will have consistent color. If not, some of them will be brown, some will not be brown. So that is how the peanut is made. And once you've gotten a golden brown color for all of them, then you can pack out in a safe. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you for stopping by today. I hope you learned something new, and I am sure that you will give this recipe a try. All I need you to do is please leave a comment, like, share it on your social media handle, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Please note that after frying, you are going to allow the peanuts to be completely cold before packaging it. Even if you don't want to package immediately, allow it to be completely cold. Then you can put it in an airtight container and package whenever you want to package. After it is completely cold, please cover it immediately. If not, breeze will enter and it will not be crunchy again. Thank you so much guys for watching once again. I love you all. See you on my next video. Bye.